Replacing your lock system can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Why replace it when you can maintain it? Did you know you can save up to 90% by maintaining your current locks with Electronic Locksmith's wide selection of new, used, and refurbished parts and locks?
The number one reason a customer will send their locks to get repaired here is not only the quality that EL will definitely provide, it is the reliability of the product, and it's a whole lot less expensive.
You can also receive free expert help with our online do-it-yourself repair videos. In addition, you can receive free shipping on eligible orders and earn credits via our rewards program to save you even more.
The life of your refurbished lock could be extended from 2 to 5 years.
The process for maintaining and repairing your locks is easy. Just follow 3 simple steps. 1. Visit electroniclocksmith.com for your basic instructions. 2. Then click to complete the repair form. Be sure to complete all parts of the form, including the make and quantity of the locks you would like to repair. After checking all the appropriate boxes, add your signature, then click Submit. 3. Please check your email for the repair order request form. Be sure to write the repair order request number on the outside of the box and put a copy of your completed form inside. Repairs generally take between 2 to 3 days, depending on the size of the orders and the difficulty of the repairs. So if you have broken locks, don't replace them, maintain them. Visit electroniclocksmith.com for all the details and start saving now. If you have any questions, we're here to help you. Just call us at 407-814-4974.